Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking to elevate your kitchen game and unlock bold, fresh flavors? A mortar and pestle is a timeless tool perfect for grinding herbs, spices, and more traditionally. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best mortar and pestle sets hand-picked for quality, durability, and performance. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the Luvan Large Mortar and Pestle Set. Looking to bring authentic, natural flavors to your cooking? Meet the Luvan Large Mortar and Pestle Set, a kitchen essential for food lovers who value tradition and quality. Made from 100% natural granite, this set is handcrafted from a single stone, ensuring durability and a dust-free grinding experience. Its rough interior texture maximizes efficiency, releasing the full flavor and aroma of your ingredients. Whether it's fresh guacamole, spices, or even grinding pills for medicine, this 4-cup capacity mortar and pestle handles it all. Its sturdy base prevents slipping, and the deep grooves keep ingredients from jumping out. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse and dry, no hassle, no stains. With its elegant design and versatile functionality, the Luvan Mortar and Pestle Set is perfect for your kitchen or as a thoughtful gift. Experience the joy of hand-ground flavors today. Coming in at number 4 is the Flexzion Mortar and Pestle Set. Crafted from solid granite, this set features a polished exterior for a sleek look and a coarse interior for efficient grinding. Its natural toughness ensures it can handle both hard and soft ingredients with ease. With a 1.5-cup capacity, it's ideal for grinding fresh herbs, seeds, and spices, unlocking their full flavor and aroma. Perfect for creating delicious sauces, pastes, and more. Cleaning is simple, just rinse with warm water and air dry. No soap is needed, making it low maintenance and eco-friendly. Made from food-safe BPA-free materials, the Flexzion Mortar and Pestle Set is a must-have for any kitchen. It's elegant, durable, and perfect for bringing out the best in your ingredients. The Flexzion Mortar and Pestle Set is ideal for home cooks who value quality and simplicity. Its compact size and durable design make it perfect for grinding small batches of spices and herbs, ensuring fresh, flavorful results every time. At number 3, we have the ChefSofi Mortar and Pestle Set. The ChefSofi Mortar and Pestle Set is a timeless kitchen essential that brings out the full flavor and aroma of your ingredients. Crafted from unpolished granite, this set ensures maximum friction for effortless grinding, crushing, and powdering. Its natural texture lets you control the consistency of your dishes, from chunky salsas to smooth pastes. Versatile and practical, this set is perfect for grinding spices, nuts, and seeds, or even powdering pills for easy ingestion. It's a must-have for creating homemade sauces, dressings, and more. Cleaning is a breeze. Just rinse and air dry. Its heavy base keeps it stable, while the ergonomic pestle ensures a comfortable grip and mess-free grinding. With its durable construction and timeless design, the ChefSofi Mortar and Pestle Set is a kitchen companion you'll cherish for years. Plus, it comes with a satisfaction guarantee. Cooking has never been this rewarding. The ChefSofi Mortar and Pestle Set is perfect for home cooks and food enthusiasts who value tradition and quality. Its durable design, versatility, and mess-free functionality make it a top choice for creating flavorful, hand-ground dishes. Taking the number 2 spot is the Priority Chef Heavy-Duty Large Mortar and Pestle Set. The Priority Chef Heavy-Duty Mortar and Pestle Set, a kitchen powerhouse built to last and designed to deliver. Handcrafted from a single piece of solid granite, this set is as durable as it is beautiful. Its thick, chunky design ensures it can handle even the toughest grinding tasks with ease. With a 1.5-cup capacity and a sturdy 6-inch pestle, it's perfect for making fresh guacamole, salsa, pesto, and more. Grind, blend, and mash herbs, spices, and nuts to unlock their natural flavors and aromas. Priority Chef goes the extra mile. Included are non-slip countertop protectors to prevent scratches and a BPA-free silicone garlic peeler for quick, mess-free prep. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Priority Chef Mortar and Pestle Set is your go-to tool for fresh, flavorful dishes. Durable, functional, and thoughtfully designed, it's a kitchen essential. The Priority Chef Mortar and Pestle set is ideal for those who value durability and functionality. Its thoughtful extras, like the garlic peeler and countertop protectors, make it a standout choice for creating fresh, flavorful dishes with ease. And finally, our number one pick is the Ltoy Porcelain Small Mortar and Pestle. The Ltoy Porcelain Small Mortar and Pestle, a compact, stylish, and practical kitchen companion for grinding with ease. With its smart cutout design, this mortar makes it effortless to pour out your freshly ground spices. No mess, no waste. Made from high-quality ceramic, it resists mold and odors while providing a rough interior for perfect grinding. Plus, it won't absorb flavors, keeping your ingredients pure. It's lightweight and easy to handle, great for small batches, teaching kids patience, or even as a charming housewarming gift. Whether for home, cafe, or gifting, the Ltoy Porcelain Mortar and Pestle blends functionality with timeless elegance. Best choice. This is perfect for those who need a stylish, no-fuss mortar for small grinding tasks, gifting, or introducing kids to cooking. And there you have it, the top 5 best-rated mandolin slicers. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.